Welcome to Gloroyal Construction Company. Okay, come, let me show you to our office. Come with me. Okay. Come with me. Okay. Come. This is our office. Come, let me show you what we do. So, Gloroyal Construction Company, this is our office, and this is our services. We are into sales and installation, maintenance of solar inverters and batteries, solar panels, solar street lights, solar indoor and outdoor CCTV cameras, fence wiring, construction of homes, car trackers, internet routers, smart home automation, hotel door cards, and remotes. We are located at number 29 Etebi Street. First floor, to be precise. Once you come there, you will see us. You can come from Oron Road and see us. You can come from Akwa Road, you can see us. Our phone number are 070-475-99871. You can also call us on 091-3372-876. And of course, our phone number is displayed on the video as you're seeing. Once you're watching the video, you will see our phone number. Call us anytime, any day. We're at your service to make sure we give you what you deserve as our client. Thank you, and once again, welcome to Gloroyal Construction Company.